2011, as you know, was a very testing year for the market, the most testing for many, many years. For Lloyd's, it was actually the single biggest catastrophe year ever, $20 billion of claims. This was coupled with very difficult market conditions. We had low premium rates, low investment returns, so it was difficult, but it was a good stress test for Lloyd's. And we came out 2 weeks ago with our results, where we showed a loss of $800 million, which was not unexpected. But if you look at Lloyd's strength, we've emerged with our rating intact, courtesy of AM Best at A, and in a very robust financial position, capital unaffected, and I think most importantly, I think our reputation worldwide. Losses like that, coincidence of losses can occur. It was a good reminder because we'd had, 7 years of relatively, in insurance terms, but not benign conditions. We also saw, as we know, a coincidence of catastrophes in the eastern section of the world. Australia, New Zealand, Japan, Thailand, which was an unusual geographic cluster. But I think it was a reminder, particularly in Thailand, that when countries industrialize and commercialize, so risks increase, business interruption, for example. And I think from an insurance point of view, this is both, in a way it's a threat, but it's also an opportunity because it reminds those markets of the importance of risk transfer mechanisms, which creates business for the insurance industry. We all know where the major catastrophe risk possibilities are, and obviously the biggest one of all probably remains here in the United States. Lloyd's is the leading market, international market. Remember, it's a market, not an insurance company, for specialist insurance and reinsurance. And most of our business, 40% comes from the United States, 20% UK, 16% Europe. Most of the rest comes from the English-speaking world. The big challenge for Lloyd's now is that as these other countries, the emerging growth countries, the BRICS countries, the CIVITS countries, industrialize and commercialize, is to make sure that we increase our footprint in those territories. And we are in the process of developing a strategy to make sure that we take advantage of that so that Lloyd's becomes the true global hub for specialist insurance and reinsurance.